Yeah, this is the first time you had your bum changed in the bathroom. And you're not crying, so thought I'd record you. I wonder why he's not crying.
I don't know, he's in a good mood. Oh, here we go.
There he is.
He's thinking about it. Is that, I don't know, what mood I'm in. Don't know if I want to cry.
Looks a bit red.
Oh, he's alright.
No, it does look at the camera, look, it looks red.
Yeah, I mean, he doesn't look that red now. He's healthy.
Bit sunburned. You've been out in the sun today. I think he's just trying to sit up, but he ain't got the abs to do it. Is that him?
Yeah.
You haven't got the stomach muscles, have you? Or the neck muscles to get up. You want the boob, didn't you? You want the booby? Oh, he's pulling the camera. Oh look, the camera strap.
Harry hiccups.
I think he wants your boob.
Yeah, he's getting fed up with the
Yeah.
hiccups.
What's that?
That was his bum.
Was it?
Yeah.
Ugh. I'll stop recording him now. Look how little he is, look. It's tiny.
Uh-oh.